in last few days, suddenly, there is drastic rise in positive patients of coronavirus. What is the reason? To talk on this topic with us, we have Dr. Avinash Bhondwe, the former president of Indian Medical Association Maharashtra chapter. So what would you say? What is the reason?
Right now we have two types of corona viruses in the state and of course in India. The first, the Delta virus, which was there since last few months, which had second wave, it is still there. And if you see in last few days, the number of Delta cases are also increasing. In Maharashtra, yesterday they were more than 1,000, and day by day it is increasing. The main reason is people are becoming careless. They are not using masks. They are not using the social distancing. Everywhere you can see the rush is there. The travel and everything is going on, and nobody is rather worried about using all those these actions.
Cautionary measures.
Yeah, the COVID appropriate behavior is not maintained by anybody. And the second, because of Omicron, also the number is increasing. The Omicron patients are increasing because all these are travelers from abroad, and I feel that the proper precautions are not being taken at the airport, at all the metro airports in India, especially in Mumbai, where we are getting more and more number of patients, and they come positive after 3 to 7 days. So for every patient from whichever country he has come, we should do his RT-PCR on arrival, and if he's positive or negative, we should keep them for quarantine at least for 2 weeks.
So when it is said that there are very light symptoms or no symptoms are being found in these patients who are infected with Omicron, so what is the need to worry?
This Omicron virus was known to the world on 25th of November, so only 1 month is over, and we do not know the details about it. The detailed research is going on all over. Whatever we know is about the things which the South African doctors and the scientists have observed. So on that it is said that it spreads very fast. It has got 32 mutations on spike protein. It spreads very fast, around 5 times more than Delta. But it is not giving any serious symptoms. That was it is said. But at this time you cannot be sure whether it is not causing any serious symptoms, because later on we may find, like in first or second wave, we may find some difficult symptoms, some serious symptoms, and we may find some different types of post-COVID syndrome, like we had the black fungus after the second wave, or we found this clotting or thrombosis after the first wave. So these things definitely are going to change, and that's why we have to take precaution. You should not take this Omicron as very light, that people are saying that it's better to get infected. So it is not like that. And most important thing, it is rather giving this vaccination is very important. Vaccination is giving at least some support. It has been observed that whichever is the variant, whether it is Delta, Beta, or even Omicron, you get some protection. And if you are again infected, even after taking full doses of vaccine, the symptoms are really very less, and chances of death or hospitalization are less, because you get different type of immunity works for you after the vaccination. Though the antibodies have gone down, you can get B type of lymphocyte, they work, and you get better immunity. So these are the things that we should take precaution. We should not take it very lightly.
There are some international experts have also stated that the third wave will be too serious and it will go out of control.
Yeah. Day before yesterday, the Kanpur IIT also come out with a similar type of model, in which they say that from 15th of December, the number of cases of Omicron will increase. They will keep on increasing, and from the 3rd of February, will get the third wave, which will increase in a large number, and there are chances that in a day we may get 5 lakh patients infected, 5 lakh people infected in a day. So if we see that this model is done very scientifically, and they have followed the epidemic structure of 10 countries, 10 big countries, and of course the previous waves in India as well as in UK, US, Germany, Russia, South Africa, Zambia, and there are so many, 10 countries they have followed. So it is more likely that this wave will increase in size and in numbers.
So this was Dr. Avinash Bhondwe giving us those minute details and steps, measures that we should take so that we can avoid the infection of not only coronavirus but also we can stay away from Omicron infection. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.